Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get started with a Minecraft server. Do this quick as I can, no messing around. So go on to PingPerfect, this is what I'm using, it's very fast and it seems to run really stable. Go onto your game servers, find Minecraft, here it is, click on Minecraft and you'll be told how much it's costing in your area and what you get for that. The other thing to bear in mind is you can choose how much memory you have with your server. The standard for 3 Great British Pounds is 512 megabytes. I think to run most mods, to need the mods, you're going to have to go for the 2 gigabyte version if you do want to have mods. But if you're just running vanilla Minecraft, then the 512 will be good enough for you and a couple of friends. So once you've gone through the shopping and bought the product, you can get onto the login area, which will look something similar to this. You need to log into your control panel, and you'll have this dashboard area here. First thing you're going to need to do is just check your updates, make sure that you're on the latest version of Minecraft. And again, if you are running mods, you're going to need to check which version of Minecraft the mod will need to be using, and it's dead simple, click on install to get it working. Go back to the dashboard area. Configuration files, there's also a little area here, I think it's in the text editor. You just need to make sure that this is set to true, otherwise the server won't start. So, back to the dashboard. So the other thing we need to know is mods here. Obviously you need a 2 gigabyte version. These are all the mods you can get working on here. I've been running the Feed the Beast Infinity Evolved for a while on my server, and it seems to run really smoothly with 4, 5, 6 guys on there, so that's really nice. Back to the dashboard. Once you've got all the things started, your correct version, your configuration files is set to true, and if you want any mods, obviously, need to install those. You just want to start the server. So it'll say running. The server isn't actually running, you won't be able to find it in Minecraft at the moment. You'll need to go on to my McAdmin area and log in. The login details are actually somewhere, here we go. If you click on reset my password, you can get all the login details for that. Here you've got all your proper game settings, so you've got game mode, survival, difficulty, hardcore mode, monsters enabled, all the usual sorts of things. So set up all your settings that you want to have. I think there's a lot of different stuff you can change here, world management features. If you want to get into plugins, then you can put in your own plugins as well. And also you can change your users, so you can add your admins. You can add yourself as an admin if you want to start cheating and adding your own things into the server, but I personally like to play vanilla without cheating. It's a bit more of a challenge and keeps the game running nicer for everybody, to be honest. Then you're going to want to go to your status at the top. Here tells you the server is not running, so what we want to do is start the server. Server is getting ready to start. After a couple of minutes, it does take a while to get working. After a couple of minutes, you'll find shutting down and restarting, getting ready to start. Server is sleeping but ready to accept players, so we know that our server is actually running at the moment. You can also check the console as well. It tells you what you've loaded up and tells you what's going in. You can actually type things in here into the console, and these will actually come up as the server on the game as well, so you can talk to people and see what people are talking about in the game. I don't think there's so much more to tell you about this. If you really want to get into it, there's a lot of really detailed guides on the internet, but I just want to give you a quick heads up on how to get started as fast as you can. Schedules, again, it's got some schedules set up, so it will restart the server and it'll tell you when it restarts. And your backups as well, if you want to enable backups, so that if you do any crazy TNT things, you can back up your world and get it started back to before you blew everything up. finally, there's your file manager as well. It is actually possible to, if you've been playing a game on your computer, not online, just running your own server from your own computer, you can actually import all of your files onto here, so you can get running with a game that you've been playing for a while. Something that you might just want to do if you've been playing with your friends and they're fed up of only being able to play when one of you's online, so you can get it sorted out and everybody can play whenever they want through a server. And that's about it, really. Okay, so in order to connect to your game, to find your actual game, you're going to have to go to the PingPerfect dashboard area, and it'll tell you at the top here, connection info. And this is the IP address and the port number. So if you just drag and copy that whole number there, and go to your Minecraft here, add server, call it my own server, whatever you want to call it. And here you just paste in Control and V for copy and paste in your IP address, so you can just type it in as well. Once you've done that, press done and you'll see my server comes up. Double click and you're in your own server. So this will periodically save itself. You can play with your friends and do whatever you want to do on Minecraft. So I hope this has helped getting a quick start into a server and not messing around too much. And let me know if there's anything you need to know extra.